How to get Dollar General coupon codes. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy method to find the coupon codes for your Dollar General app or website. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open up your web browser. Then on the search bar, you can search for something like Dollar General coupons, and then follow it up with this website, coupon follow. Then hit enter. And you'll find this website right here, Dollar General Coupons. Just go ahead and open this up. You can find different kind of promo codes and coupons here. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on show coupon. And sometimes if this is valid, you can just click on redeem at Dollar General, copy this, and then redeem at Dollar General. And you should be able to redeem this code while you check out of your Dollar General app. You can find similar websites down here as well. Similar to Coupon Follow, you have Groupons. So you can just open this up, and then you can find different coupon codes here that you can copy and paste while you check out. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.